Good morning, children. Today, in this class, I am going to explain about different types of forests and detailed explanation of the different types of forest and the location of forest and what are the different kinds of trees that are growing in these different types of forests. In the previous class, we have discussed about there are four types of forests that are the evergreen forest, deciduous forests, thorny forests and littoral forests. Okay, now let us see about the evergreen forests. Evergreen forests. Okay. Generally, the evergreen forests are grow in the areas which are having very high rainfall and very high temperatures. Okay. Which areas are having very high rainfall and very high temperature? The equatorial region is having very high temperature and very high rainfall. That is why the evergreen forests are growing in the equatorial regions. The forests, these forests are green throughout the year. Why? Because the trees which are growing in these forests are doing photosynthesis throughout the year. That is why all the forests, almost all the forests in these, all the trees which are growing in these forests are in green throughout the year. Right? That is why these forests are called as evergreen forests. Okay. Let us see the areas which are having very high rainfall and temperature. In these areas, these types of forests are grown. In the equatorial region, these types of forests are grown. In our India, the state of Kerala and Andaman, we can see these types of forests. The trees always green throughout the year. The trees which are growing in these forests are green throughout the year. Why? Because they are doing photosynthesis with a good supply of water and good supply of sunlight. That is why the trees which are growing in these forests are green throughout the year. And we do not have, in the state of Telangana, we do not have, in Telangana state, there is no evergreen forests. Why? Because the Telangana is not having heavy rainfall or high amount of rainfall and high temperature. Okay, that is why the state of Telangana is not having this type of evergreen forest. Okay, this type of evergreen forest we can see also in Himalayas. We can see this type of forest in Himalayas as the pine trees. In Himalayas, we can see the pine forests are in the form of pine trees. We can see the evergreen forest. In the pine forest, the pine trees are having the leaves with the needle shapes, and the needle shape of these leaves cannot enter the snow and do not enter the snowfall under these leaves. That is why the leaves are green throughout the year. Okay, the pine trees, the pine leaves in the shape of needles. Due to this needle shape of these leaves, the snowfall cannot lies forever, cannot lies on the leaves. Cannot lies on the leaves. Okay. Due to these leaves, the pine forest would to see in the color of green. That is why these types of forests are also called as evergreen forests. Okay. Now let us see about deciduous forests. This is about evergreen forests. Okay, the evergreen forests are the forests which are growing in the areas of which are having heavy high rainfall and high temperature. These types of evergreen forests we can see in the equatorial region. In the state of Kerala and Andaman, we can see these types of forests in India. Okay, we do not have in the state of Telangana. We don't have this type of evergreen forest because Telangana is not having very high amount of rainfall and high temperature. Okay, in Himalayas, in the form of pine trees, we can see the evergreen forest. This is about evergreen forest. Now let us say deciduous forest. Deciduous forests. Okay, these types of forests grow in the areas which are having rainfall in some months during the year. Rainfall in some months during the year. Okay, according to rainfall, these types of deciduous forests can be categorized into two types. The areas which are having high rainfall during some months only. The areas which are having low rainfall during some months only. Okay, in the state of Telangana, most of the forests are belongs to deciduous forest. Deciduous forest. Okay, in this deciduous forest, there are different kinds of trees are grown, like tumma. Okay, in these deciduous forests, there are different kinds of trees grow that are belongs to the different kinds of trees that are grown in this deciduous forests are Vegi, Agisa, Mandaru, Jittagi, Teak. These are the different types of different kinds of trees that are grow, which are the areas which are having high rainfall. These are the types of trees that are grow in the area of very high rainfall during some months. Okay, these types of forests are spreaded in the state of Telangana in the districts of Komaram Bhim. We can see this type of forests in the district of Komaram Bhim, Jaishankar, and Bhadradri. Okay, in these districts we can see this type of deciduous forests which are grow in the high rainfall regions. Okay, now let us see the trees, the different types of trees which are grow in the low rainfall during some months. Low rainfall during some months. Okay, the different kinds of trees that are growing in these regions: Madhi, Teak, Velaga, Agisa, Vepa, Tumma, Neem. Okay, these are the different kinds of trees growing in these deciduous forests. Okay, the deciduous forests which are growing in the low rainfall regions. Okay, these types of deciduous forests are spread in the state of Telangana in the districts of Warangal, Karimnagar, Warangal and Karimnagar, Adilabad. Adilabad and in Nizamabad. In Nizamabad, we can see this type of forest. Okay, these are the different types of deciduous forest which are in the state of Telangana. Okay, once again, deciduous forests are the forests which grows in the regions which are having the rainfall in some months during the year. Okay, in these deciduous forests, the trees are shed their leaves during the dry season. During the dry season, the trees shed their leaves because there is no supply of water and there is no supply of sunlight in some days. That's why the trees in these deciduous forests shed their leaves during the dry season. Okay, according to this deciduous forest, it can be categorized into two types according to rainfall. Okay, the areas which are having heavy rainfall during some months, okay, the different kinds of that are growing in the heavy rainfall region. Okay, Vegi, Agisa, Bhandaru, Gittari, Teak. These are the different kinds of trees that are grown in the heavy rainfall region. Okay, these type of forests we can see in the districts of Komaram Bhim, Jaishankar and Bhadradri. Okay, now let us see the different kinds of trees that are growing in the low rainfall regions. Okay, Maddi, Teak, Galaga, Agisa, Tumma and Neem. These are the different kinds of trees that are growing in the low rainfall region. Okay, these types of forests we can see in the districts of Warangal, Karimnagar, Adilabad and Nizamabad. Okay, this is about deciduous forests. Okay, now let us see about thorny forests. Thorny forests. Okay, these type of forests we can see in the regions which are having very low rainfall. The regions which are having very low rainfall, okay, this type of forests are grown. The areas which are having very low rainfall. Okay, in these areas, the trees which are growing are thorny. The trees belongs to trees growing in this region are bushes or belongs to are thorny. Thorny means the needle-like stems, and the leaves of these thorny forests are very short. Leaves are very short. In this thorny forest, the leaves of the trees are very short. Okay. The different types of trees that are growing in these thorny forests are Regu. Different types of trees that are growing in this region are Regu, Sitafal, Tumma, Bulsu, okay, Neem, these are the different kinds of trees that are growing in the thorny forest. Okay, this type of forest we can see in the Telangana in the districts of Nalgonda, Mahbub Nagar, and in some parts of Medak. we can see this type of forests. Okay. Once again, thorny forests. Thorny forests are the forests which are grow in the areas which are having very low rainfall. Okay. The trees and bushes are thorny. The growing trees in the thorny forests are having thorny. Its structure is thorny. Thorny means the needle-like stems which are growing under the leaves. The needle-like stems which are growing under the leaves. Okay. Leaves are very short in this region. Why? Because to preserve the water, to conserve the water, the leaves are very short in the trees. And the different kinds of trees that are growing in this thorny forest are Regu, Sitapal, Tumma, Bulsu, and Neem. These are the different kinds of trees that are growing in this thorny forest. And in the state of Telangana, in some districts, we can see the different types of these types of thorny forests. In Nalgonda, Mahbubnagar, and some parts of Medak district, we can see this type of forest. Okay. Now let us see about the littoral forest. Littoral forests. Okay, these forests are generally grow in the sea coastal region or in the marshy or swampy regions. Okay, generally these type of forests are growing in the sea coast. Sea coast. The trees which are growing in these areas are submerged in the some hours in the day and receded in some hours due to the flow of backwaters, due to the flow of sea waters and due to the tidals of seawater. These types of forests are grown. Okay, the littoral forests are grown in the sea coastal region. Okay, the trees which are growing in these areas are submerged some hours in the day and receded the remaining. Okay, now let us see the different types of trees that are grown in these littoral forests that are Uppu Ponna, Godu Pannu, Urada, Mada, Tella Mada, Gundu Mada. Okay, these are the different kinds of trees that are growing in the littoral forest. Okay, the littoral forests are generally growing in the sea coastal regions. These littoral forests are also called as mangroves. Mangrove forests. Okay, in these mangrove forests, we can see the different kinds of forests, different kinds of trees that are Uppu Pannu, Bodu Pannu, and Urada, Mada, Tella Mada, and Gundu Mada. Okay, these are the different types of trees that are growing in the littoral forest. Okay, in the state of Telangana, we don't have sea coast. That is why we don't have this type of forest. Okay, in the sea coastal areas, it means coastal areas, we can see this type of forest. Okay, this is about the detailed explanation about different types of forest. Okay, thank you, children.